All right, let's take a look at a Nessus demonstration. To start Nessus, let's go ahead and click on Start, All Programs, and Tenable Network Security, Nessus Web Client. Now there's a certificate issue, so I click Advanced and Proceed to Localhost. Now it's asking me for my credentials. So let me key in my credentials here. I need to create a new policy. Now from Nessus, we'll click on Policies and New Policy. A new policy wizard is going to show up here, so let's go ahead and in this demo we're going to look at vulnerability assessments. So let's scroll down to select Perform Network Vulnerability Scans for PCI policy. We'll name it Vulnerability Assessment Policy and click Next. I don't want to give it any credentials, so I'll just save it. And the policy is added successfully. Then we'll click on Scans and New Scan. And I'm going to name it Vulnerability Test. And you can add any name. I'll name my server IP address of 192.168.0.12 and click the Launch button. You can see the scan is running. It's going to take quite a long time to complete, so we're going to go ahead and wait for it to complete. Once the scan is completed, we'll click the completed scan and we see 72 vulnerabilities and 3 remediations. And we can export this report as a Nessus file, HTML, or CSV. Now we're going to export it as an HTML file, and I'll drag and drop host summary, vulnerabilities by host, and vulnerabilities by plugin. Then we'll click on Export button, and the report is downloading. When the report is downloaded, we can then check the report. So to open the report, I click on Host Summary. And we see 1 critical, 7 high, 13 medium, and 5 low vulnerabilities for a total of 46. Now there's a plugin ID for each vulnerability. If you click on the plugin, you can learn further information about the vulnerability.
So, Ammon, IBM Security AppScan is a leading application security testing suite.
That's
IBM
right.
Security AppScan is designed to manage vulnerability testing for the entire software development life cycle. So using this tool, you can automate vulnerability assessments, scans, and tests for all common web application vulnerabilities. Now, this includes SQL injection, cross-site scripting, buffer overflow, and Flash Flex application and Web 2.0 exposure scans.
That's right, Jeff. And let me highlight some of the AppScan key features and benefits. First, we have scanning and vulnerability testing for really a wide range of application security vulnerabilities. AppScan also has the ability to scan complex web applications. Looks like there's a tool. It has a highly accurate advanced testing capability, which includes dynamic and innovative hybrid analysis of glass box testing, i.e. runtime analysis with static taint analysis. Now, using this tool, you can quickly remediate with prioritized results and fixed recommendations. You also have an enhanced insight into your organization's compliance with governmental and industry mandates, facilitated by more than 40 compliance reports.
Very thorough. And AppScan supports web application including Adobe Flash, JavaScript, Ajax, and Simple Object Access Protocol, or SOAP, web services. AppScan fully covered the OWASP Top 10 for 2013. AppScan provides full coverage of the OWASP Mobile Top 10 for 2014. And if you deploy with ArcSan, application protection for IBM solutions. AppScan supports transport layer security, TLS, Protocol 1.2, and is compliant with Federal Information Publication Standard, FIPS 140-2, as well as National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST Special Publication, and SP 800-131A. Covers everything.
Dude, go get a break. All right. IBM Security AppScan Trial is a fully functional, unlimited version of the IBM Security AppScan standard product. But you can test other sites except Altoro Mutual at demo.testfire.net.